Hello Keystone investors and welcome back to another video. In today's digital world, the way we do business, interact with one another and manage our daily lives is continuously evolving. One of the most significant innovations that has been making a difference in the recent years is the blockchain technology. Now blockchain has the potential to change industries, improve transparency, and simplify the process in ways we never thought it would be possible. In this section, we'll give you a brief and easy to understand overview of the blockchain and discuss its relevancy to the modern world. Now, blockchain technology is a decentralized shared ledger that keeps a record of transactions between parties in a secure and tamper-proof way. It first came into existence in 2008, and it's the backbone technology for Bitcoin, which is the world's first digital currency. Now, since then, the uses of blockchain technology have expanded far beyond just the digital currencies. One of the main features of blockchain technology is decentralization. Now, this means that instead of relying on a central authority like a bank or a government to validate and maintain records of transaction, a blockchain depends on a network of computers known as nodes. These work together to validate, record, and store transactions securely. Now each node in the network has a copy of the entire blockchain, which is updated every time a new transaction is added. This decentralized approach ensures that no single entity controls the whole system, making it resistant to fraud, censorship, and manipulation. Another critical aspect of blockchain technology is security. Each of the transactions on the blockchain is protected using advanced encryption techniques, ensuring that the data is safe and cannot be tampered with. Now, these transactions are grouped together into blocks, which are linked together in a sequential order to create the blockchain. Each block contains a unique code called the hash, which is based on the information in the blockchain and the hash of the previous block. That means that any attempt to change the information in a block would require changing the information in all the blocks that come after it, making it nearly impossible to tamper with the blockchain. In today's interconnected world, blockchain technology has become increasingly relevant because it can address many of the challenges faced by our traditional systems. For example, blockchain can revolutionize the financial industry by enabling faster, less expensive, and more secure transactions. It can also help simplify processes like international payments, money transfers, and trading stocks. Another area where blockchain technology is making a significant impact is managing the supply chain. By providing a clear and tamper-proof record of product movement, blockchain can help improve tracking and accountability in the supply chain, ensuring that products are genuine and more ethically sourced. This has a substantial implication for industries such as agriculture, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing. Additionally, blockchain can be used in areas like digital identity management, voting systems, managing intellectual property rights, and data sharing, amongst others. With its secure, transparent, and efficient approach to managing and verifying information, blockchain technology can transform many aspects of our daily lives, reshaping how we interact with one another in today's world. Now, as we dig deeper into the blockchain technology, it's crucial to understand that its key features is what's setting it apart from traditional systems, providing the potential to revolutionize many industries. Now, two of the most important characteristics of the blockchain are decentralization and its focus on security and transparency. Decentralization is a core component of blockchain technology. In a decentralized system, there's no single central authority that governs or controls the network. Instead, the responsibility of validating, recording, and storing transactions is shared among a network of computers, or nodes. Each node maintains a copy of the entire blockchain, making sure that the information is consistent across the network. This distributed approach helps eliminate the risks associated with relying on a single central authority, such as corruption, fraud, or failure. The decentralized nature of the blockchain technology also promotes trust amongst participants in the network. Since there's no single entity controlling the system, all parties have confidence in the accuracy and integrity of the information stored on the blockchain. This trust is essential in scenarios where multiple parties need to share and verify data, such as supply chain management or voting systems. Security and transparency are also vital features of blockchain technology. The security of the blockchain is ensured through advanced cryptographic techniques that protect transactional data. Each transaction is encrypted and signed by the sender using a private key, which ensures that the data cannot be tampered with or altered in any way. The receiver can also verify the transaction using the sender's public key, confirming that it's authentic. In addition to its security, the blockchain is designed to be transparent. All transactions on the blockchain are visible to anyone who can access the network. This level of transparency allows for easy verification of data and helps build trust among participants. However, it's important to note that while the transactions are visible, the identity of the parties involved can still be kept anonymous through the use of unique digital addresses. The combination of security and transparency in blockchain technology has far-reaching implications. For instance, it can help eliminate fraud and corruption by providing a clear, tamper-proof record of transactions. It can also increase efficiency in industries like finance, where the traditional systems rely on intermediaries to perform tasks like clearing and settling transactions. By removing these intermediaries, blockchain technology can streamline the process and reduce costs. Now let's take a look at some of the popular applications and real-world examples of blockchain technology showing its potential in different industries. Blockchain technology has numerous use cases across different industries, showcasing its versatility and potential to revolutionize the way we handle data, transactions, and trust. Let's explore some of the most common applications of blockchain technology, including cryptocurrencies, supply management, and voting systems. Now, cryptocurrencies are perhaps the most well-known application of blockchain technology. As we mentioned earlier, Bitcoin was one of the first cryptocurrencies, and its underlying technology, the blockchain, sparked a wave of innovation in digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital assets that rely on blockchain technology for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. Since the creation of Bitcoin, thousands of other currencies have emerged, each with their unique features, goals, and applications. Supply chain management is also another area where blockchain technology has a significant impact. The supply chain process often involves numerous parties, such as manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and consumers. Maintaining transparency, accuracy, and trust in the data shared amongst those parties can be challenging. Blockchain technology can help streamline the process by providing a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof platform for tracking goods and information through the supply chain. This enhanced visibility can lead to increased efficiency, reduced fraud, and improved trust among all stakeholders. Now, voting systems can also benefit from the implementation of blockchain technology. Traditional voting systems can be susceptible to fraud, human error, and other vulnerabilities that may compromise the integrity of the election process. By using blockchain technology, we can create a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof voting system that ensures the accuracy of the election results and makes sure that it's legit. Voters can cast their votes using a secure, encrypted digital ballot that is stored on the blockchain. The decentralized nature of the voting system ensures that no single party can manipulate or tamper with the results, and the transparent record of votes allows for easy auditing and verification. These are just a few examples of how blockchain technology can be applied to various industries and scenarios. The potential applications of blockchain technology are vast, And as the technology continues to mature, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases that can transform the way we handle data, transactions, and trust in the digital world. Blockchain technology is gradually becoming an integral part of everyday lives, with applications that extend beyond just the financial sector. In this section, we'll discuss two examples of how blockchain can impact our daily lives and explore them in more depth. Managing personal data is crucial in today's digital age, as more of our information is stored and shared online. Blockchain technology offers a secure and transparent way to control our data. With a blockchain-based system, individuals can store personal data like ID documents and medical records on a decentralized network, ensuring security and accessibility only to the person and those they share it with. Blockchain technology also lets users manage their data, grant or revoke third-party access, maintaining privacy and control. This can streamline processes like identity verification, making online services and transactions more secure. Decentralized marketplaces are another everyday use of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology allows creating decentralized marketplaces with direct peer-to-peer transactions, removing the middleman. In this marketplace, buyers and sellers interact directly, and smart contracts on the blockchain ensure security and transparency. This can result in lower fees, more privacy, and fair value distributions amongst users. By removing intermediaries, decentralized marketplaces encourage competition and innovation, while addressing issues like censorship practices in decentralized platforms. As the technology matures, we can expect even more applications in our everyday life, opening new opportunities for growth and innovation. If you're interested in joining the blockchain ecosystem, start by learning through resources and participating in projects and communities. Contributing to open source projects offers a hands-on experience, while attending industry events help you connect with the community and learn from experts. Decentralization and security make it reliable and transparent for various applications. By getting involved in the blockchain ecosystem, you can contribute to its development and adoption across sectors. Now, blockchain technology is still evolving, offering vast opportunities for learning and growth. Keep exploring, expand your knowledge, and consider how you can participate in this technological revolution. Now, as we conclude this video, we hope you've gained insights into blockchain technology and its potential. Remember, this is just a start, so keep learning and stay curious. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you guys in the next video.